Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I'm Mary, and today I am making vegetarian carrot pulled pork. I know that sounds weird, but it's shredded carrots made with barbecue sauce. It's roasted. So I have these shredded carrots here. This was 5 ginormous carrots. I have some sliced onions here, salt, pepper to taste. Probably about a teaspoon or so of each. Okay. Teaspoon or 2 of olive oil. And then we're just going to mix this up. This is going to roast in the oven. And it's going to get all caramelized. These have been in for 25 minutes, these carrots and onions. And I am just going to give them a stir. See, they're getting all caramelized. Then they're going to go back in for another 10 minutes. And then the magic happens. See you back here in a few minutes. Don't go away. We are back. And here's our delicious carrot pulled pork. Here's the barbecue sauce. Now, I was afraid that pot wouldn't be big enough for all those carrots. Otherwise, I would have just mixed it in the pot. And now we're going to simmer this for about 15 minutes, and we'll be back. We're back, and we're done. And it's been a couple of hours, and it's nighttime now because I had to make my own hamburger buns because I forgot to get them at the store today when I went and got the carrots. For this, I'm just making it plain. I'm just with this carrot mixture here, this pulled pork mixture. But you could put pickles on here, however you normally eat your pulled pork. And this is how I eat mine. The sauce is sweet and spicy. The carrots, it tastes like pulled pork. It looks like pulled pork. Try it at home. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. You take care now.